so afraid. All alone, I've been looking through my memories. I've been trying to see your face, but you're moving like a mystery, and you look the other way. If you found me in the pouring rain, would you let me in? Would you look into your memories? Tell me where you've been. When the sun is going dark, I feel you coming closer. Counting in the dark, I feel at home. I feel the silence and I am alone. I feel the storm in your eyes, but anything I like is alone. My heart is moving and you're gone. I'm too holding on to a great silence and I am alone. She was hypnotized and walking on coffin nights. Then it broke and she awoke again. Let's keep it faster. Stop screaming. Is it over that with me? Please help me. Just let me in. Ooh. The sun is going down. I feel you coming closer. Counting in the dark, I feel at home. I feel you in the silence and I am alone. I feel the storm in your eyes, but anything I like is alone. My heart is moving and you're gone. I'm too holding on to a great silence and I am alone. Everything you want to go, I'll be the magic story. You can tell me you'll be safe under my control. Just let me in, ooh. Follow everywhere I go. Top of the mountain, the valley, no. You do everything you've been dreaming of. Just let me in, ooh.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and
Ya vi que estás aquí, tan cerquita de mí, y me hacía falta, porque la última vez que vine tú no estabas, baby. Oh, vamos a tomar toda la noche, mujer, te invito a bailar hasta el amanecer. Tú quieres jugar y no quieres perder. Vamos a bailar, quiero verte mover lento, hasta que el llanto solo junte nuestros cuerpos. Lento, yeah. Vamos a tomar toda la noche, mujer, te invito a bailar hasta el amanecer. Tú quieres vamos al oscuro hasta las 12. Ay, sí que tú me conoces. Suavecito vamos hasta abajo. Tú tomas tequila, yo voy con refajo. Pasamos bueno, te gusta el relajo. Y de 100 billetes yo cargo un fajo. Vamos a tomar toda la noche, mujer. Te invito a bailar hasta el amanecer. Tú quieres jugar y no quieres perder. Vamos a bailar, quiero verte mover lento hasta que el sol junte nuestros cuerpos. Muy lento, más tarde vamos a enloquecer. Y si me dejas tú serás mi mujer. Cuando se nota que me quieres comer, por eso sé que vamos a enloquecer.
Step one, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step two, get some good, some food in you. Step three, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step four, everybody just do your thing. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other